Hello guys, I hope you're okay. Let's start today's video, and today I'll show you how you can close partial trades partially and book your profit and remain the rest of the trade on break even, or even leave it on the stop loss, whatever is necessary according to your strategy. So let's start. Let me share my screen on MetaTrader. So currently, this is I'm a 1 minute chart goal, and let me put the trade. Let me put uh, two lots just to show you, and put a sell trade, and now double click on that trade, and this box will appear. And what you need to do, if it's in profit, you can close 1.80 of the trade and leave the rest running. For example, suppose this fits in profit, depends how much profit you're looking to the next level, or according to your strategy to up to how much. So suppose it's in profit. At the moment, it's not profit. I'll see if we can go in the profit. Let's see. It's it might go in profit in a few minutes, and then it'll be easy for to demonstrate, especially for the new people. Anyway, suppose this is a profit, and I close 1.80 lots. I press the wrong button, sell by. So I should be pressing the close this one. So let it become in the profit. Right. Seems it doesn't want to come in the profit. Right. Still not in profit. Anyway, just imagine this is in the profit. So I close partial trade. At least you know then how to close it. 1.80 is closed. The left is 0.20 lots. Now what I can do, I can put this on break even for whatever the stop. Suppose the stop loss was here, take profit was here, and you just bring the stop loss to further close to it. If it's in profit, then depending on where you want it. So this is how it works really. And once your profit, your trade is keep going in profit, you can it's closed now because the price went up. You can keep moving the stop loss. This is a strategy a lot of traders use because you don't want to lose the profit. As soon as your trade is in profit, to certain profit according to a strategy, you just close most of the trade and leave the rest running. You can do same thing on your mobile as well. And if you want me to show you on the mobile as well, please let me know and I'll make a video. I hope this is helpful for you, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.